Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a really quick recipe for one of my favorite green smoothies. I have been making this smoothie probably since, I want to say when I stopped making YouTube videos a few years ago. It's so simple, and the reason I wanted to do it today was because the fruit that I got for the smoothie was buy one get one free at my grocery store, and I needed to stock up anyway, so it was just a perfect time to do the video. And it is delicious. It is a very sweet smoothie, which I like, and just because I don't like a lot of like bitter, like kale, spinachy flavor in my smoothie. So even though I do put, you know, spinach in it, it doesn't taste like there's anything but delicious fruits in there. It is so good. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get on to the recipe. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm going to make right now. It's one of my favorite smoothies. I just picked up a few of the ingredients, actually all of the ingredients, from the store, and I was just about to make a smoothie, and I was like, you know what? This would be a good video, because I feel like when I used to post like my smoothies on like a boomerang on Instagram, everyone would always ask me what's in them. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in them. So first thing is orange juice. I just get the original no pulp. I tried like the Trop 50, and that is good. It just has like a slightly different flavor. So this one I just always grab because the other one isn't worth it. You're gonna need one banana. This has nothing to do with what we're making, but the pumpkin spice cream cheese is so good. You're gonna need some mangoes and some pineapple and some baby spinach. Okay, so I just took one banana and I just like broke it up into like maybe 3 or 4 pieces and put it at the bottom. And then what I do is I just take, there's no particular order. You can literally do this in any order. Just take some frozen mangoes. And it's really hard to do this with one hand. But I'm just gonna take some frozen mangoes, and I'm just gonna dump them in here. It's really up to your preference. I kind of like to do maybe like that much. And then I'll take the mangoes. I'm gonna open up the bag a little bit. And then put some mangoes. And I don't know if I said this, but these are frozen. And then you're gonna be like, okay, Rachel, what's happening? You have no room for anything else, but I promise you it's all gonna fit. Okay, and so then I'm going to take some of my spinach, and what I did is I just took the fruit that was like piled on top and I just like smushed it down with my hand. And it normally smushes down pretty well if you put the banana first, because it has like more room to go down. But you can just put however much spinach you want. Let's see. Normally I try and do a lot just because is good for the baby. We'll do that much for now. And then I'm going to take my orange juice and slowly just pour it in. And I really don't measure it. I kind of just like to look. If it's about like halfway, I think that's okay. It really just depends on how much fruit you add, on how thick you want your smoothie. So I'm gonna go with just about this much orange juice, and I'll blend it, and then I'll show you guys if it comes out thick or if it's too liquidy or if it's like the perfect consistency. I'll let you guys know. I don't know if I mentioned, but I just have the magic bullet. So I just put everything in one of those little cups that comes with it, and then I'm just gonna twist this. It's like a little cap on here, and then I'll put it on the bowl. Pour it in my glass. And this is normally about the consistency that I like. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys do end up making the smoothie, you guys can always send me your reactions or your pictures of it on Instagram. I think it's so cool that you guys still message me on Instagram, and I love talking to you guys. So If you guys would want to do that, you can. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and end the video because I am going to be filming a couple other videos after this. I'm going to be doing the how I found out I was pregnant, and then I think I'm going to do a 28-week pregnancy update video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, just let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you later.